Hey man, let me ask you something. Have you ever been talking to a girl? Things seem to be going great. She's texting back, showing signs of interest, maybe even initiating conversations, and then out of nowhere, she starts pulling away. The texts get shorter, the energy shifts, and suddenly you're left wondering, what the hell did I do wrong? Well, here's the truth. It's not that you did something wrong, it's that you did something too much. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why women pull away when you show interest, and more importantly, how to fix it before it's too late. 1. The law of emotional investment attraction is all about balance. If a woman feels like she's winning you over, she stays interested. But the moment she senses that she already has you, something changes. Suddenly the chase is over, the mystery disappears. And deep down, women don't want a man they can easily predict. They want a man they have to earn. See, most guys make the mistake of thinking that if a woman is showing interest, it means it's time to double down, get more affectionate, and give her even more attention. But this backfires. Why? Because she starts to feel like she's got you figured out. There's no challenge, no tension, no excitement. And the moment you start over-investing, she starts under-investing. 2. The energy shift that kills attraction. Look, the dynamic between men and women is like a scale. When you put too much weight on one side, the other side lifts off the ground. When you're too available, too eager, too interested, you tip the scale. And what happens? She subconsciously starts to pull away to restore balance. Women don't pull away because they're trying to test you or play games. They do it because, biologically and emotionally, they need space to feel attraction. When you come on too strong, she starts feeling smothered, and her natural instinct is to retreat. 3. The scarcity effect. Why less is more. Have you ever noticed that the people who text the least are usually the ones who get the most attention? That's because scarcity creates value. The more available you are, the less exciting you become. Think of it like this. If your favorite restaurant was open 24/7, you'd stop craving it. But if it was only open on rare occasions, you'd be dying to get a table. Women operate the same way. If you're always there, always texting, always showing up first, you stop being something she desires and you start being something she expects. How to fix it without playing games. Now, I'm not saying you should ignore her or play hard to get just for the sake of it, but you do need to stop making her the center of your universe. Instead of reacting emotionally when she pulls away, mirror her energy. If she stops texting as much, you do the same. If she starts being distant, give her space. The worst thing you can do when a woman pulls away is to chase harder. This just confirms to her that she has full control over you. And once she feels that, the attraction dies. Instead, let her feel your absence. Give her time to wonder about you, to miss you, to crave your attention again. Build your own gravity. Be the man she can't ignore. At the end of the day, the key to keeping a woman interested isn't about texting tactics or playing mind games. It's about becoming a man of high value. A man who has his own life, his own mission, and his own priorities. Women are naturally drawn to men who don't need them, but choose them. So if she pulls away, don't panic. Instead, ask yourself, am I chasing too much? Am I giving her too much of my time? Am I making her feel like she's the prize instead of the other way around? If the answer is yes, then it's time to step back and let her come to you. Final thoughts. Let her feel the distance. Women fall for men who make them feel something. And sometimes, the best way to reignite attraction isn't by doing more, it's by doing less. When she pulls away, don't see it as a rejection, see it as an opportunity to reset the balance, regain your power, and let her chase you again. So here's your move. Next time a woman pulls away, instead of chasing, mirror her energy, focus on your own life, and let her feel your absence. If she's truly interested, she will come back, and when she does, she'll see you in a whole new light. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real talk on attraction, self-respect, and becoming the man women can't resist. Stay strong, brother. I'll see you in the next one.